Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to create an account in Google Pay. So open up Google Pay. If you need it, download it. It's totally free. You can find it on the Play Store. Now it's going to open up a page that looks like this, where it's already chosen my current logged in email. If you need to change the account, press the down arrow on the right hand side, and that's going to open up a page that shows all of your emails where you can actually add more or use one of the emails available. For today's example, I'm just going to use learnerpreneurchannel@gmail.com. So I'll back out and I'm going to press the blue button that says continue down at the bottom. Here you're going to add your phone number and then press next, blue button, bottom of the screen. And then it's going to ask you to verify your phone number. It's going to send you a text. Go ahead and enter in that number. It's going to verify it for you. After it's done, it'll say, great, now just a few privacy preferences. You can always change them later. They never sell your info. And your transaction history is not shared with any other Google services for targeting ads. When you're done reading, just press next down at the bottom. If you want to help friends find and pay you, you can do that now. You also do not have to, so I'm going to say not now. You can also earn rewards when you pay. If you want to earn rewards, press yes. If not right now, press not now. You can also turn on personalization with Google Pay, and you can press more to see more. We're going to go ahead and just choose don't turn on. It's going to load up your Google Pay account. My phone asks me if I want to use this. We'll just go ahead and use the PIN. And then it says, welcome to Google Pay. Get exclusive offers and updates via emails and notifications. You can opt out anytime with the settings. Press got it. And then here you are. You have effectively set up an account in Google Pay. Hope this video helped you out on how to create a Google Pay account. If it did, go ahead and watch the tutorial on the screen right now to learn more about social media and apps.